Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video tutorial, I'll show you how the built-in dashboards and reports are helpful in tracking every support activity and enhancing the customer experience. Let's go through dashboards and reports one by one. The Support Monitoring Dashboard allows you to track and monitor the status of support tickets. With it, you can examine the ticket inflow, track pending and overdue tickets, and determine the busiest time of day based on ticket events over a period of time. Data can be displayed based on the brand. Advanced filtering is also supported to filter data and save it as views. The Support Traffic Dashboard helps track and analyze the inflow of tickets over some time. Here, data can be grouped by the supported fields provided. You can use date filters and advanced filters to drill down into data. The SLA Dashboard helps monitor SLA violations and achievements regarding responses and resolutions over time. This dashboard also includes a date filter and advanced filters for drilling down into data. Next is the Agent Performance Dashboard, which helps you track and analyze the performance of the agents and groups. Here, data is visualized based on the ticket and message-based stats, SLA statistics, CSAT score, and total time spent over a period of time. Advanced and date filters are also supported to drill down data. The Contact Performance Dashboard helps you track and analyze the performance of contacts and contact groups. You can visualize data related to ticket statistics, SLA statistics, and customer satisfaction over time. Data can be grouped by brand, status category, priority, type, and source. You can use a date filter and advanced filter to drill down into data. The Customer Satisfaction Report helps you track and analyze customer satisfaction for the service provided over time. You can see the CSAT score, survey response rates, and customer sentiment based on the provided ratings. Various filters can be used to narrow down data. Support managers or leads can quickly add a note or tag for further review by an agent without opening tickets. In the Ticket Conversation Report, you can track and review message updates by contacts and agents across all support channels in a single location. You can also review agents' responses to customers, identify agents who need more training, and tag or add a private note inline for follow-up. Various filters can be used to drill down the report data. The Worklog Report keeps track of billable and non-billable time spent on activities or support tickets by agents. This report data can be filtered by Worklog module, brand, and date. Advanced filters can also be used to drill down data. You also can review Worklog comments, add tag or a private note inline for follow-up. Finally, the Ticket Metrics Report allows you to track and analyze tickets-related metrics. You can select the required metrics from the column chooser in this report. You can use the date filter and advanced filters to drill down data. In this video, I showed you how to use dashboards to track the status of support tickets, track and analyze the inflow of tickets over time, track SLA breaches and achievements, and analyze agent and customer performance. You also saw how to track and analyze ticket-related metrics, track and analyze customer satisfaction feedback, review message updates, and track billable and non-billable time spent on support tickets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.